God. Why that shit acting like it's trying to take me, chat? Listen to that shit, chat. YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? Back with another video. Right now, I'm on my way to go get my car washed, man. I'm finna pull up on my boy Sonic. Well, this is like always take 10 years to go green, bro. So today I got a couple things I gotta do, man. So I'm gonna go get my car washed, and I have to go make some videos on my car. I'm about to pull up to the Amazon warehouse, and then I got a couple more things I gotta go do. I'm gonna take y'all boys on this little journey with me, man. What's up with this traffic though? You see how long this light taking, man? It's been like a whole 5 minutes already, chat. I kid you not, man. This shit finally went green. Not everybody finna start taking mad long. Oh my God. We got y'all boys with a little chill POV, man. Downshifts. Oh my God. I'm not gonna lie, the car kind of filthy right now. Just off of the fact that it snowed a couple times. So I just waited for all the salt and shit to go away so I could just wash the car. I'm not trying to wash the car and then later I gotta wash it again. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God. But yeah, man, like I said, my boy Sonic outside right now. He detailing some car, so you know what I'm saying? Gotta pull up on the homie and show him some love, man. Yeah, let me turn this air conditioner on. That shit blasted in my face, bro. Pause. Oh my God. Why that shit acting like it's trying to take me, chat?
Like angle like here.
Alright, man.
Oh, you ain't flat.
You want me to back in there?
No, just back up and just come like diagonal right here.
Alright, man. Hell yeah, I'm about to put my camera on the tripod, bro. Hey, shout yourself out, bro.
It's your boy. Nah. What's good, y'all? It's your boy. MPH Auto Spa. About to get my boy nice and cleaned up. He got the salt on the car, so we'll get just a nice little maintenance wash. We acid bath the wheel so far. Sprayed it down with some grime degreaser, and then we're gonna use some high purpose snow foam, and we're gonna get it done. You guys check back and see the before and after.
Yo, say what's up to the cam, bro. Hold on. Say what's up to the cam, nigga.
Y'all boys know who it is, man.
Drizzy got the fight.
Why everybody? Chill, little nigga. Chill, little nigga. Oh my God. Ah! Them blue DRLs though, man. You getting a wash? You getting a wash? This shit dirty already.
I might just wipe it off.
Type shit. I heard them turbos when you was backing up, nigga. Come on, man. My little nigga, man. You see the cut? Oh. Yeah, man, that boy Sonic just got me right, chat. You feel me? Give y'all boys a little walk around that shit. Hey, man, new lip coming soon. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. That shit clean. I'm not doing no more digs. Them brake dust be insane.
Are you here for a wash?
Hopefully he don't rev it. I know that shit loud, bro. Oh my God. Yo, is this single?
You ever see an R34 in person?
This shit single turbo?
Yes, he built them. Yo, he built all
What
of them.
the?
He just has Watch.
I need a big turbo, bro. That boy got us right, man. Cracker got an AR, like he's shooting schools up. Say what's up to the cam, boy.
Wagwan.
Wagwan. Fish boy.
Alright, nigga.
Big dirty fish. Fish boy. So chat right now. Let me turn my mic on. Hey man, so right now we're finna pull up to the crib real quick. I gotta go grab something from the crib, then. I'm going back, but this is what I don't get. I just told these niggas I'm coming back and they ain't believe me, bro. Yo, do they think I'm a liar, chat? Let me put the window down. Oh, these burbos gonna be insane down there. Listen to that shit, chat. Hey man, if y'all new to the channel, drop a like, comment, subscribe. We're on the way to 2K subs right now, man. Like I told you, I'm trying to hit 10K subs before my birthday. I know that's kind of a tight time frame to hit 10K subs in, but anything is possible, bro. Oh my God. Do y'all hear these burbles? Listen to that intake. That's so insane, chat. Downshift. Is that a fucking cop? Oh my God. That shit clean though, bro. Yes, sir. We got my boy Christian shit over here. Oh my God. Them boys got the heat out, bro. Yeah, I think I've seen this one before. I seen this before. Somewhere. This shit is tough. Oh my. I'm gonna try to put the picture up on the screen. Oh my God. And he got the intake on it.
What trans?
Damn. That shit is tough, bro. Fitment dialed in and on. That's a catch can, right? Sheesh, that shit insane. Damn, that's fire. That's tough. I'm inspired, bro. Man, I'm out here getting a whole lot of content for y'all boys. I gotta move my car again, chat. Okay. Don't look at this nigga, chat. Nigga trying to hit me. Yeah, we gonna park over here and leave my bitch right over here. Yo, something is wrong with you, nigga.
I don't want to park behind your ass until mom's moved too.
No, cause your car won't get dirty, so I just left my shit back here. Oh my God, my shit look nice right now. That's why you went up there, nigga, cause you want to hear the turbo. Think you slick, nigga. I'm on your trail, boy. $40 on $40. $40 on $40. The fuck? Why it sound like that? Okay. Oh my God, yo, you need some front mounts. This is the ultimate sleeper.
What's their name? Sleeper tuning. That's what she made it.
I'm talking about the car.
Yeah, but that's why. Just why it's a shot car. Turn nothing into something.
What? Bro. Pull up on this, you'll be thinking like, what the hell? A white one. Single.
Yo, be safe, bro.
You too, bro. All right, bro, safety. All right, bro. Oh yeah, we gonna end this off with a dig, chat. Hey man, so we finna head back to the crib right now. I know I ain't really did no POV drive, but I got some content for y'all boys. You know what I'm saying? Why this nigga on my ass though? Yo. Shout out to my boy Sonic, man. That nigga really good peoples. So like I'm saying, we finna head back to the crib right now. You feel me? If y'all boys enjoy the vlog, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Oh, is that a cop? By the time your ass turn around, I'll be at the crib, gang. Don't even try it.